Have you ever wondered what mischief a parrot might get into if it escaped captivity? Meet Freddy, a vibrant African grey who broke free from his home in a sleepy suburb. His owners were devastated, fearing the worst. Months passed, and just as hope began to wane, Freddy nonchalantly flew back into their lives. But Freddy wasn't the same. He had a new, colorful vocabulary, one peppered with expletives that left his family both amused and horrified. It turns out, Freddy had befriended a group of sailors at a nearby dock, picking up their salty language while charming them with his mimicry. The escapade culminated in a hilarious incident where Freddy, perched on a neighbor's window, let loose a string of curses that had the entire block in stitches. Freddy's adventure was a testament to the unpredictable and often humorous bond between humans and animals, proving that even a brief stint in the wild could turn an ordinary parrot into an extraordinary character.